What is going on, everybody? Today we got the 20.5 Tanto version in. I would love to say that this came from Andrew Demko himself, but this is actually a exclusive by DLT Trading. So it's very cool. I'm very excited to check it out. I have actually never even seen the standard one, but the Shark Lock really seemed, I've watched it in videos and it really seems really cool, so I am excited to check it out. So let's get to it. So this is how it comes. Got a little plastic case, pretty basic. Okay. Whew. Yeah, that's a tight fit. So we have the left pocket clip, I guess. Now this is in the G10 and 3B version. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that lock. I can see exactly why guys like that. The coolest thing about the AD20.5 is the fact that you can get aftermarket scales like crazy right now. So you can get titanium, micarta, you can get anything. So that's cool. You get some aftermarket parts. And this is in 3V, which is very nice steel. I do love 3V. Got a great edge on it. Yeah, got the Demko mark there. Yeah, that Shark Lock is definitely nice. Got a nice detent there. Cute. Yeah, so hey, if you can give it a little leverage, you can actually whip it open. So cool. But it won't necessarily. You can hear a little wiggle, but I'm being pretty rough with it, as you can tell on camera. And you give it a right snap, you can snap it open. That's actually pretty convenient. I actually do like that. But it's not going to just willy-nilly open up on you, I don't think. I mean, but feels good. It's grippy as heck. So I would be a little concerned about the pocket clip and that rough texture really being a pocket eater for sure, because it's very grippy. And that's a tight pocket clip. Not exactly deep carry, but again, aftermarket parts. They're coming out like crazy, so you can get aftermarket clips with a better deep carry. I don't mind that. It allows me to get to the knife. I don't care that people know I'm carrying a knife. So very cool, very cool. Yeah, feels pretty good in the hand. I typically would like a bigger knife, usually 8 and above. This is just a little hair over 7.5. But overall, love the feel. You can reverse finger flick, middle finger flick, whatever you want. Thumb studs on both sides. Yeah, very, very fidgety. Like that lock. Pretty well. Maybe a smidge, really reefing on it, maybe a smidge of wiggle in the blade, but I don't, like I said, I don't think that matters with this type of a lock. So very cool. I definitely will be carrying this a lot. I'm very excited to really dig into it and see how it holds up, and I am definitely thinking some titanium scales. So there you guys go. That is the AD20.5 by DLT Trading. I think they're going to be the only ones that have it. So $250. It's kind of a pricey tag, but if you guys want one, they're over there still available now. So there you guys go. Have a great day, guys. We will catch you next time.